Guys, I'm going to show you how your intercoms work. You'll either have a big intercom if it's interior, or you'll have a mullion intercom if it's exterior. So these are all PoE, and basically the user, they can press the button and that rings the intercom. So you'll hear a ringing. So you'll see this doorbell. Now the cameras are at eye level, but on the larger intercom models, you can take the cover off of the security bit and you can adjust the camera. So you notice here, so the door strike's locked. So now the phone is ringing. I can answer it by pressing the speaker button, or I can answer it by taking the handset off. If people are talking in the office and you answer it on the speaker, everybody's gonna be able to hear what you're talking about in the hallway or outside. So if you
in here, we should use the actual phone.
Yes.
Okay.
So you pick up the phone and you can talk to the person. There's also, in some offices, it's better for no echo. Now if you hang up, this is going to disconnect the call, but you can press the microphone to mute if you want. That's another option. And then, so I'm going to hang this up. Now, if you have somebody outside and they don't know how to press the button, or you want to see outside, you can press address book, and you can see front door, and you can call the front door. And now you're talking to the front door. So either way, I can pick up the handset. I've switched now to handset. If I want to put the handset down and talk on speaker, I can press this button right here. And now I'm on speaker. I can put my handset down without disconnecting. Whoops. I'll do this again. Without disconnecting the call. So I'm on my handset right now. I can switch to speaker. Put this down. Now I'm talking on the call. So be careful to line this up so that it doesn't slip off. Okay, so that's good. So now if we want to unlock the door, we just press the key. So now that unlocks the door strike. And if we want to hang up, we just press hang up. And that's all you gotta know. So any questions on this? No. So now if you don't want to hear the intercom, you can press the privacy button. You can turn privacy on, and then nobody will hear you. So you can go to status even.